Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If your laptop heats up like a mini oven during gaming or editing, so today's video is for you. We are checking out a Geonix One Fan Laptop Cooler, a budget-friendly cooling pad. About these features, it comes with a black color and it has a one fan inside this. Behind this, it has a adjustable angle stand and it is powered with the USB cables. Let's test this cooler. I will keep my laptop on this. Now connect. Let's see. Look, it is non-audible fan. It is very worth it and a budget-friendly cooler. So guys, if you are looking for a simple and affordable cooling pad that gets a job done, Geonix One Fan Laptop Cooler is definitely worth considering. It has adjustable angle stand, USB powered and very quick operated and simple plug and just play setup. So guys, if you like my videos, please share and subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.